The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 12:24 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a nearly stationary thunderstorm producing very heavy rain in the Big Pines, Mountain High and Redwood area. This includes nearby portions of Highway 2. Radar indicated rainfall rates of 1.5 to 1.7 inches per hour. This rain will likely cause flash flooding across the Warren area, as well as significant flooding of area roadways. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can